Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's Ray of Hope, an Ocho Rios guitarist has been blessed with a new instrument. The man who fell on hard times has been a musician for decades and has been playing for passerby in the streets of Ocho Rios. Ramada Lyons reports.
A guitar with no strings, music muted, but the will to produce said music continued to soar. Alman Belnavis has been involved in music for decades.
Well, me born up in the gully still. The gully, everything like the messenger and the angel and everything about Belnavis here and farmer.
He's been bringing the music to the streets of Ocho Rios, a nice backdrop for both locals and tourists on the go.
I've been playing from 14 years old, but I've been like guitar out of heritage this time. I'm bored with me, little boy. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I've been one guitar neck to electric guitar neck to out of a body wood. I'm younger than that still.
Years later, the real deal. Melody made possible by donation. Before, he was a victim of theft.
Someone steal that too. That's brand new guitar, I get 6 extra keys with it too.
And they stole it from you?
Yeah, everybody, when we walk to a place, someone said, 60,000, 50,000 guitars, no, 60,000 guitars, no.
Another eventually came along, but the strings disappeared over the years, and they threatened to take his musical offerings with them. But now, a brand new guitar offers new beginnings.
Yeah, we're particularly happy and really filled with emotion today because what we saw demonstrated was an act of love, and Mr. Belnavis here, who showed his appreciation by singing to us. And you can see that from his younger days, he was quite an entertainer. And the fact is that we revived what was innate in him. And for that, we're really appreciative.
Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie says the act may seem simple, but it's a big deal.
But if you ask me outside of love for my family, outside of love for my party and my leader, and Mr. Seaga, I will tell you that the greatest love outside of all of those persons is music. And to be able to fill somebody's, aspirations of allowing them to have the opportunity to do the thing they love best. And I really cherish today because when I listened to him, I didn't know the depth of what his ability was.
Well, I play to friends and so on, and they give me a tip.
I want to wish him all the best and hope that he makes the best use of what has been provided here for him this afternoon. And I know he will, because I've seen the look, the expression on the faces around his friends and others here who are touched by the occasion.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Ramada Lyons.